Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you Facebook change country settings. So all you have to do is to log in to your Facebook account and then tap your profile at the top right corner or click this arrow facing down and then click settings and privacy. And then after you tap this, click settings again, tap this one, and then it will take you directly to another page. Now, what you're going to do here is to look on the left side. Then you will see here tools, resources, preferences. Just go to preferences and click language and region. And then this is what it looks like. So go directly to region format and then click this choose. And then select your preferred country or the region or the place where you're living right now. Okay, so scroll down and tap this circle here to change your country and settings here on your Facebook. And you can change your language here if you want. So you just have to click X and you have other options here. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.